They want you to pay the 5%. They don't want you to pay 100%, right? Because credit card companies want to use you.
This is one thing that I've tried to research online a lot, and I had like multiple answers. So while paying your credit card fee, you see there's an option to pay your entire amount or pay 5% of it. And one of my friend told me to never do that because it will cost me almost like 40%. But when I talk to my bank, they say it's like just 3% or something. So like
they want you to pay the 5%. They don't want you to pay 100%, right? Because credit card companies want to use you, right? Because they can charge you 40% interest, and that's crazy. So when you use a credit card, only use the credit limit to the extent that you can pay off 100%. Otherwise, you'll end up paying tremendous amount in interest, because that's their business. Credit cards are the most lucrative thing. I mean, just to give an example, when I used to have, I've had credit card for a very long time. Early days credit cards, premium credit cards only, would give you access to airport lounges, and it would be empty, only celebrities and rich people, and that's it. Today you go to any airport lounge, there is a line outside. Very mediocre people have access. Why? Because their credit card gives them 4 lounge accesses a year or something like that, right? Because banks have understood people are terrible at paying back loans, and as long as they pay a little bit every month, they can keep making money in the long term. That's the business of credit cards. So don't fall for that. Pay off, use only to the extent you can pay off 100%. Anything you keep, you're getting charged 40% interest. Imagine how much that could be. It's like if you take 100 rupees, you're paying 40 rupees interest on 100 rupees.
So is it even wise to have a credit card?
It is very wise to have a credit card, because it helps you grow your CIBIL score. It helps you grow your history. After using a credit card for a while, when you want to get a car, when you want to get a loan, when you want to get a house, because of the credit history and the CIBIL score, you will get far better interest rates. Versus when you don't have a history, your interest rates are sky high, right? So it's an instrument that you should use to your advantage to make your financial records and history better, versus getting used by it. And that's a predatory system that credit cards have all over the world, not just India, everywhere. Credit card interests are super high. So don't get used by it.
So I started working when I was 18, and I got my first credit card when I was 22. When do you recommend like the future generation or like people should
get it as early as you can, earliest you can, even if it's your dad's credit card that you piggyback on. But the point is, only use the credit limit to the degree that you can pay off 100%. Do not pay interest to the credit card company. That's the only thing. Use it, within 30 days, pay it back. Done. Any age, doesn't matter. Have self-control.
Thank you for watching this video. If you need more help, you can use the number in the description to book your meeting or mentorship. Just call or DM on WhatsApp to book your slot.